And good morning, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Now, Will Russell of Just in Time Prepping did a fascinating video on EMP, and you don't want to expose yourself because a lot of weirdos are out there. So, you want to have some blackout curtains in your blackout kit that prevents people from looking in. Also, it's a good idea to have a couple peepholes that's not operated by cameras, so you don't have to crack a window or shutter or move a curtain to look outside. You'll get a full 180-degree view. They're very easy to put in. I know several places that do that. It's in the wall. You look through a little peephole. It's a long tube in the wall, and it scans the whole area. It will pick up some light. And it's not for use in direct sunlight because you get blinded, but in low level lights, and it's fairly easy to do. You can find the parts at low or ask contractor how to do it, and a hand or power drill. And in the afternoon, you pick your spot and talk how to put it in. Make sure you're not hitting any wiring or studs, and get the job done. Blackout kit, other than the curtains and a few items like light sticks and candle lanterns or liquid fuel lanterns. And if in my Faraday box, which is a simple either a garbage can or a box line, I have one of the or two of these. Now these are heavy duty DC acid batteries. They're not the regular batteries. I have another one that takes regular batteries. And remember, anything DC, digital, or has that weird little circuit is going to be in trouble. So you have to protect those. Doesn't matter if they're on or off. They'll pick up the charge and fry. Normally, a lot of people don't understand this, but there's like 2 or 3 amps in the air, constant. That's from all that wonderful stuff flying around, 5Gs. People don't understand it, but it's invisible. You don't see it, you don't smell it, and you get zapped with it. Not very good. Having a little water, actually a lot of water. Today is just a short chat. I'm trying to get into the 21st century, which is pretty hard. I got a lot of content, not a lot of tech. Here's a little advice for YouTube execs from higher to middle managers. Get lawyers now. Of course, they won't listen. They say, oh, we have contracts. The system will take care of us. You probably get 7 to 10 years in a federal penitentiary, or worse, 20 years in a state. So I would recommend getting a lawyer, a bail bondsman, and enough funding for bail. Because Google, unfortunately, is like the movie War Dogs, and they're trying all sorts of stuff. They're going to get hit by everybody. SEC, FBI, Department of Labor. I forgot the other 3 or 4 letter guys, but they're going to get clobbered pretty good. And also that thing about the illegal spy network or something for certain outside political parties of the U.S. Well, it's not our local far left or far right. These are bad people. So remember your YouTube and Google. I get my lawyers now. And any of you, is it Smurf or Surf? I think it's Surf. And peons of YouTube and Google, you better stop living in the 80s and 70s RVs having van life and thinking of leaving. You have a good degree. Google is on its road, death road. YouTube is lasting until about 2025 because their AI is taking over too quick and they're doing too much things. And there's a lot of companies, I won't mention it, CNBC and Universal and Comcast backed the wrong horse. I like the gentleman, but he's annoying. And the trouble is, I think he's on the FBI list because not as a terrorist, but an activist or agitator. Now, he thinks all media should be one voice. That's kind of bad. And also, he has his own ideas from college or whoever programmed it. But you can't say it's not my fault. I was following orders. That will get you someplace really bad really quick. So you should step back, look what you've done, take it slow, and for Vox, I think it's Vox, go back and check your stuff. This is just simple, ordinary advice from your old pal Uncle Al, and YouTube's doing the apocalypse again, purges. So Uncle Al's just kicking back. I only got 970 videos and I'm out of here. I'm going to try a live stream, but I don't know. I'm not that media suave. Hmm. There's too many social influencers on the screen. If you look at one influencer versus the other one on Instagram, they all look the same. Also, all the same kind of people. They target a certain audience. God doesn't bullshit or dream or anything. This is the truth. And a lot of corporations, a lot of people can't handle simple, plain truth. Now, the Democrats will win in 2025. In 2020, a lot of them are going to have a lot of trouble, and they don't know about it. Yeah, a lot of them are going to prison, state or federal, and brought on charges. Thank you, Dina. Yay, Ontario Prepper. Now, that's going to be kind of bad because the United States is in its third and most dangerous year, like Rome. And a lot of people don't understand, like Rome during the Chinese dynasties, they had a period of bureaucracy and stupidity, like Japan in their warring years. What did we get? We had thugs invading Korea with guns, not bows and arrows, guns, which they pick it up from Germans and Portuguese. German makers, Portuguese traders, and then people did some home brewed versions. Same caliber, a lot easier to shoot, a lot lighter. Some say it was like a long barrel handgun. Others says it was weird stock kind of weapon, but that's the biz, supply and demand. So back to social influencers and um, media entrepreneurs. Now those guys need at least a base following of 100,000 people. I'm kind of flipping between 700 to about 800 on a good month, but sometimes I lose too many people because I go off track a lot and people want to hear about prepping and survival and about food and gardening. Uncle is getting a little slow and tired, but Uncle understands their point. So kids, if you want to do that, please check out Alaska Granny or Potpourri, Prepper Potpourri. Excuse me. I did mail off Cheryl a copy of a letter. Cheryl Hurts, I hope you picked this up, Cheryl, for food storage. Remember, be adaptable. What I recommend is the rolling carry-on. It has wheels, and you can put it on a luggage carrier or a wagon or shopping cart. Out of sight, out of mind, and you have food in there. Only thing you need is clean, fresh water. And sometimes I put in food pouches, but it's a pouch. So you can boil it, pierce it by accident. It gets old and leaks all over the place. So that's why I use cans. You can heat it, but uh, most places they don't punch or rot. Some do over time, but if you're in a really tough environment, I'll flip between the two. So anyway, I got to keep this short. It's about 10 minutes. I know you kids watch about 5 minutes worth and do something else. So I'll catch you later, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Big shout out to Reverend Christine. She got a birthday card from me. And who is it? West Wind Survival Wayne. Be careful, Wayne. The old cougars are still lurking around. You don't want to be cat food. And my friend up north, uh, HC, and prep for it. Gotta get a bicycle. And check out other Instagrammers and YouTubers. Try not to be the same. But also don't scare the people. I gotta check out Wasteland Prepping, see how he's doing. You have to understand, folks, you have to be really careful nowadays. Now, right now, America will back its ally, Britain. So you lost the EU, you still got us. We're not the greatest in-laws, but we're still here and we'll always back you. Catch you later, kids. This is your old pal, Uncle Al, and his faithful dinosaur companion, Dino. Yeah, I'm not Native American. I'm a dinosaur. See? Okay, kid. Bye.